Hey there, welcome back to Vibrant Vigil. Today we're diving into an essential topic, creating a natural first aid kit for your home. Why rely on harsh chemicals when nature has everything we need to stay healthy and safe? Stick around because in just 2 minutes you'll have the ultimate checklist for your very own holistic kit. First, let's talk about the basics. You'll need a sturdy container to keep everything organized. Next, make sure you have clean cloths, gauze, and a small pair of scissors. Essentials for any first aid kit, natural or not. Tea tree oil. This is your natural antiseptic superstar. Perfect for cuts, scrapes, and even minor burns. Arnica gel or cream. Great for bruises, swelling, and sore muscles. It's a must-have in your kit. Honey. Nature's wound healer. Use raw honey to soothe burns and minor cuts. It's antibacterial and soothing. Activated charcoal. Ideal for detoxing and even treating insect bites or stings. A little goes a long way. Dried chamomile or lavender. These are calming herbs you can use for stress, headaches, or even as a natural skin soother. Let's say you get a minor cut. First, clean it with water, dab on some tea tree oil and cover it with gauze. For a bug bite, mix a pinch of activated charcoal with water into a paste and apply it directly. Easy, right? And there you have it. Your very own natural first aid kit. Simple, effective, and kind to your body and the planet. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more holistic health tips, and don't forget to share your favorite natural remedies in the comments below. Thanks for watching Vibrant Vigil. See you next time.